Hello student, I am Raki teacher and will be conducting our next video of subject science for standard 8th. So student, in our last video, that is our first video of subject science to standard 8, in that we have seen about our first lesson. What is our first lesson name? That is crop production and management. In that I have explained you what is crop, what is management and what is the production. Each and everything I have explained you, and what all the things I am going to cover up in the entire lessons, that I am going to explain you step by step. What all the steps and everything I have explained in the first video. Let's start from the beginning. So what are the first point I am going to cover up here, that is crops and crop seasons. As you all know, there are specific season for specific crops, like in winter season and summer season. This is the harvesting process and the sowing process. So crops depends on their seasons. In this, from the first if we will start, that is agriculture. Main jo करते हैं, that is agriculture. Agriculture means what? In our first slide, just see it there. Be on our first slide. Just see there. That is agriculture. I have just break down the words, divided the word. What is agri and what is culture? Means field and cultivation of a field. That is called as agriculture. Each and everything I have explained you on the first slide. Just go on that. In that you can come to know about like in agriculture, not only growing of plant but also raising of animals also. मीन्स हम खेती बाड़ी में खेती आई तो एनिमल्स भी डायरेक्टली आएंगे. मैनी ऑफ द इम्प्लीमेंट मॉडर्न टेक्निक्स हैज़ टेकन प्लेसेस, बट इन आर एंशिएंट टाइम्स we are using like animals in our farms. So this everything I have explained in our first slide. Next, going to this our second slide. That is second slide. Coming to our second slides, I have given some of the definition. What is crop, what is field, everything term by term I have explained you over there. You just go and read once what is terms and what all the things we are using over there, crops and crop season. In our second slide I have explained you there. First, wait a minute, just first crops and crop season. Crops means whatever the yield we are getting there in our field, whatever the things whatever the produce we are getting. Crops means growing of a plant on a large scale, that is crops, right? So whatever the produce we are getting, and it depends upon the season. Seasons means kharif crop, rabi crop. There are seasons. I have explained you on our third slide that also. That is kharif crop and rabi crop. Kharif crop means what? Kharif crop means that is of a summer crop. Those crops are grown in the summer season, that is kharif crop. And rabi crop means what? The crops which are grown in the winter season. This with the example I have explained you over there, and how step by step we do the production in the field, that also one by one I have explained you. First of all, we do preparation of a soil, sowing of a seed, everything I explained you till the storage. Whatever the storage we do there, that I have explained. Just go through that. When you will come to school, according to the picture wise, I'll tell you what was the first process, second process, third process, till the 8th process of agriculture, till the last process of agriculture. That is done. Next, coming to the basic agriculture practices. As we have known, crop production and management. Title, heading itself tell us कि हमें इसमें क्या करना है. Crops को उगाना है, उसकी production करना है, and we have to manage it. That everything we have to see. Coming to the first basic agriculture practices. What all the things we need? I explained you in the first video what all the things basic agriculture practices we need to do in our field to get a good yield, right? So in basic agriculture practices, first of all we'll see there are 8 steps. Today so student, basic agriculture practices, as I told you, basic agriculture practices means there are 8 steps. You can go on a slide, you can check it. 8 steps are there. Today we will cover up 2 steps of basic agriculture practices. What all the first thing we have to do to grow to get a good yield in a farm. So preparation of a soil, as I told you, unless and until आपका बेसिक जो होता है क्लियर नहीं होगा, आप उस पर कुछ भी आगे कर नहीं सकते. So first of all, for the crops and good produce, you have to make your land properly. Preparation of a soil means आपको soil को loosen करना. You have to loosen the soil with the help of implements, with the help of agriculture implements. Agriculture implements means जो भी औजार, जो भी हथियार हम खेती में यूज़ करते हैं, those are agriculture implement. What all the tools we are using in the agriculture, that is agriculture implements. Many of the pictures I have shown you on the slide also. You can see in the slide. Preparation of a soil. What are the things needed for preparation of a soil? That is sharp end of pipes, like for plowing a field. For plowing a field, you need that tilling and plowing. One is the process, that is tilling and plowing. That process we'll see. One of the picture I have shown you on the slide also. Preparation of a soil means plowing and tilling. Plowing means उसको plow करना, soil को loosen करना, and tilling means जैसे breathing, like we breathe, same way soil also breathe. Inside there are roots. Inside a root comes, so roots need some air. For that we have to put on plowing and tilling. In that we use hoe, plow and cultivator. These are the tools we used in the farm. This is the basic tool for preparation of a soil, right? Then only your land is perfect. And tilling means what? One more thing I will tell you. Plowing तो हो गया, आपने पूरा field plow कर लिया. Tilling means what? Tilling means, have you ever noticed a farm? There are sequence like this way, in a row they are going. Some of the soil are coming, their rows are there, they are creating a rows. That rows are called tilling. So this preparation is for soil. Next, after sowing, what you will do? Second thing, sowing of a seed. After preparation of a soil, second thing you will do preparation, sowing of seed. As soon as you finished your soil preparation, then you sow the seed. Now sowing a seed in our ancient times, what we do, what the farmers do, they put on one seeds, otherwise they scatter the seed like this way only. But that is not a proper way. We have improved a lot. Means many of the techniques. Before, there is a funnel structure. In your textbook also you can see a farmer plowing the field, but after that with the funnel structure he is putting seeds in that funnel, and at the edge there is a sharp edges. From there only that one seed is sown. But this is also very ancient technique. But nowadays we have improved ourselves with the modern techniques and seed drill. At a time you can saw many of the seed, that are seed drill machines. You can see and check it in our slides also how the modern techniques has taken place for sowing of a seed. This is for the two things we have covered: preparation of a soil, plowing and tilling. Next, sowing of a seed in our ancient time, what we used and what we use now. For it's just time consuming also, and it gives a better yield also, and proper formation of a plant or growth of a plant. And the tools, as I have told you, for this two tools I have shown in our slide. Just go through the slide and this explanation you will get to know. And for the homework process, I would like to give you, just read the lesson once, segregate the Rabi crop and Kharif crop in your textbook, or one chart is given on the page number 2 with an examples. Just segregate and write down in your notebooks that chart you have to draw, and read the lesson and those pictures which I have given about the preparation of a soil and the sowing of a seed. What all the tools are there, that pictures with the label you have to draw it. That's it for today.